Spider-Zay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing medicine. It's open there, guys. This Wait, what's the tail? That is it. Oh, we got sections. And then we need. We got the bag open. So let's do this.
What colors do you have there?
We have pink, blue, and orange.
Ooh, pink, blue, and orange. So we need a bucket to fill it up.
Yeah.
And put it in and try to make some shapes.
I'm gonna make this magic. I'm gonna make the bucket peel. Yes, the magic works. I'm sure it's not magic bag.
Yeah, we first need to open the bag.
I didn't use my magic thing. I'm gonna make this bag open. Yes, this bag's open to some of my magic. Let's put some in. Guys, guys, that's a bit awesome. Magic sand, guys.
Ooh.
Guys, what the magic sand? Here's like the most like the spreading itself. Outside it turns normal, inside it turns like magic sand.
Magic sand, let's show everyone.
So guys, look, it turns normal now. Guys, look. So when you soup it up, it's hard, guys. Guys, I know what it does. So when you soup it up, it turns normal. What? Also, when it's underwater, it turns like. Hold it. What? So what? It turns normal. What? It turns normal now.
Hi guys, look at the awesome magic sand in the water. And we're taking it out slowly. Dry sand. Whoa.
Super cool, right, guys?
Super cool.
I like magic. It turns magic sand. I want to. Let's stop so all the sand comes out. Bye guys! Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed my channel, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you subscribe. And remember, be time.